G'day, folks. If you want to boost your home's water efficiency and save a few bucks on those pesky water bills, it's time to talk plumbing upgrades. Here in Australia, water conservation is not just an environmental choice, it's a necessity. That's why we're diving into some fantastic plumbing upgrades that can make a world of difference in your home. And if you want to learn more, check out samirabuildingconstruction.com. First up, let's replace those old, leaky faucets with water-saving taps. Modern taps are designed to reduce water flow without lowering pressure, ensuring you get the perfect stream while saving water. And don't forget about shower heads. Upgrading to a low-flow shower head can make a massive impact. Imagine taking a refreshing shower while using up to half the water. Sounds incredible, right? Next on the list are dual flush toilets. Older toilets can use up to 12 liters per flush, while a dual flush toilet uses as little as 3 liters for a half flush. It's a simple swap that saves thousands of liters over a year. And let's talk about leak detection devices. Installing these handy gadgets can help you spot leaks early before they turn into expensive problems. Undetected leaks can waste thousands of liters annually, slipping right through your fingers without you even noticing. Have you heard of rainwater harvesting systems? It's an exceptional way to maximize water use, collecting rainwater for garden irrigation, flushing toilets, and even for your laundry. It's sustainable and cost-effective, reducing reliance on mains water supply. Also, consider insulating your pipes. By keeping them insulated, you prevent heat loss, meaning less energy is used to heat your water, benefiting both your wallet and the planet. Finally, engage in regular plumbing maintenance. Baseline checks ensure everything is working efficiently, catching potential water wasters before they become a problem. Remember, a well-maintained plumbing system is an efficient one. So there you have it, mates. These plumbing upgrades can significantly impact your home's water efficiency, resulting in savings on your bills and taking a positive step towards sustainability. If you're ready to dive deeper, visit samirabuildingconstruction.com for more insights and expert guidance on transforming your home into a water-efficient haven. Thanks for tuning in, and catch you next time for more home improvement tips.